Hello everyone, this is Adam and Petri, the coolest bird in the world. Yes, you are very cool. Hey, today we're going to do a little game and it's called Same or Different. Oh, I like games! Alright, are you ready to play? Let's do it! Alright, we're going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What do we have here? Oh, I think that is some type of food. It looks like a tomato. Nope, it's not a tomato. Look closer. Oh, it's got a little stem. Yes, oh, is it an apple? Yes, it is an apple. So right now I have an apple. And is it the same or different than this one? You hold this. Okay, I have the apple. Oh, I dropped it. Here, hold the banana. It is okay to drop things. It's all right. So now you have something different. Look at them closely. What do you think? Are they the same or different? They're not the same. So it must be different. You're right. The apple is red and round. This is what? A banana. You're close. It's a banana. Okay, a banana. Okay, a banana. A banana. But they are different. They're still fruits, so they're the same family. But they do not look the same and they do not taste the same. They are different. Good job. How about this one? This is our second. You still know what this is? Apple. Yes, you are right. It is an apple. Now, look at this. Is this the same or different? Ooh, let me look. I'm using my eyes. They are the same. You're right. The apples look the same. Good job. You're catching on really quickly. All right, this is kind of fun. What is this? Oh, it's a, whoa, look at that color. It has a stem, so it is not the same as an apple. It's different. You're right. So that is different than this. We have something smaller. This one is actually a very small pumpkin. Oh, a pumpkin. But no, some pumpkins are orange. This one is a little bit white, and it's got words written on it. Thankful and blessed. These are different. You are right. One is an apple, toot, 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 and one is a pumpkin. They are different. Next one is right here. Hold this one. I got it. Look at this. Is this the same or different? I'm pretty sure they're two of the same. You're right. We have two pumpkins, and they are the same. You're catching on really well with this. Thank you. It's always good to get some encouragement. I'm proud of you. Oh, thank you. I'm really proud of you, too. I have one more, and it's a little trickier question. Are you ready for a trickier one? Sure, let's go. Same or different? I got this. I like that positive self-talk. So what I have here is something kind of cool. Oh, is that money? It is. There's a favorite game that I have in my family, and we call it Monopoly. You call Blopoly? Monopoly, but yeah. So these are money. Little $500 bills from Monopoly. Okay, those are cool. What can I buy with them? You actually can't buy anything with these. These are pretend. What? Yep. So is this the same? This, you can hold on to this. Okay. Or what about this? This is also money. Is it the same or different? Well, I see a 5 on both of them. That's the same. You're right. I do see a 5. But the face is not the same. And let me see the other ones. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Oh, this has a bigger number. Whoa. I do not think they're the same. They're different. You're right. They are different. One of them is what we use here in America. We have something called dollars. And this one right here that you're holding is $20. Can I buy birdseed with it? Yeah, technically, yeah. Okay, bye. Oh dear. He just took my money to go buy birdseed. I'm gonna have to go. That money was different, but he took the real one. All right, I gotta go. I gotta get my money back. Have a good day.